Hello everyone, you are watching this video to decide whether or not to invest in Aliaxis, a global company based in Belgium that designs and manufactures plastic piping systems for water management. Let's dive in. We'll cover liquidity, solvency, rentability, recent news, and whether Aliaxis is a smart investment. The current ratio ranges between 0.01 and 0.06, significantly lower than the norm. At first glance, this appears or indicates liquidity problems. However, the company operates in a capital-intensive industry with stable cash flows. This seems more likely to be the result of a deliberate strategy because they focus on reinvesting resources. Aliaxis has a very strong financial position, with high autonomy and almost no debt. This means that the company relies mostly on its own capital, providing a solid buffer against financial setbacks and enabling easier investments in growth, innovation, and sustainability. Although the return on equity is relatively lower compared to lighter capital industries, it reflects healthy performance in a capital-heavy sector. Aliaxis' consistent profitability and growth show good management and shareholder capital. The company was awarded Company of the Year in 2022, but faced a setback in 2023 regarding profitability, partly due to high raw material prices. In 2024, Aliaxis attempted to acquire Honor, of which it was the largest shareholder at the time. The acquisition failed, and Aliaxis sold its shares with a profit of no less than 418 million euros. Now, Eric Olsen unexpectedly resigns due to disagreements over strategy. Now, regarding whether to invest in Aliaxis, I believe the company is performing well and is profitable. While the ratios I analyzed seem risky, they reflect the company's focus on reinvestment in growth and innovation, leading to limited liquidity. The money is tied up in equity and fixed assets, showing a commitment to long-term growth over short-term liquidity. Keep in mind what I said about news. It can have an effect on the company. If you're willing to accept more risk for potential long-term growth, Aliaxis could be an interesting choice. However, if you are more focused on short-term stability and liquidity, it might feel too risky, especially given the low current ratio. I hope you learned a bit about this company and ask yourself the question, are you ready to invest?